What do I say? Oh no, I wasn't gonna do that voice.
I think it's cute.
Too late. I'm doing this voice now. Hi. My name is Memo. Thank you. Today I will be reading a book called Jabari Jumps. It's about this boy named Jabari. I'm assuming he jumps. Don't look at me. I'm nervous. Oh yeah, Jabari Jumps. It's a good book. I really like it. I I I was borrowing it from Sunlight Classroom. Shout out to Rianne and Michelle and Sunlight. What does the book look like? This is Jabari Jumps. It's about the boy, Jabari. Okay, I'm gonna read it now. I hope you like it. Jabari Jumps by Kaya Conwa. I'm jumping off the diving board today, Jabari told his dad. Really? Said his dad. The diving board was high and maybe a little scary, but Jabari was finished his swimming lessons and passed his swim test. And now he was ready to jump. I'm a great jumper, said Jabari. So I'm not scared to down. Jabari watched the other kids climb the long ladder. They walked all the way out to the end of the board as tiny bugs. Then they stood on the edge. They spread their tiny arms and bent their knees and sprang up, up, up. And then they dove down, down, down. Splash! Looks easy, Jabari said. But when his dad squeezed his hand, Jabari squeezed back. Jabari stood at the bottom of the ladder. He looked up. You can go before me if you want, he told the kid behind him. I need to think about what kind of jump I'm going to do. Jabari thought and thought and thought. Jabari started to climb up and up. This ladder is very tall, he thought. Are you okay? Called his dad. I'm just a little tired, said Jabari. Maybe you should climb down, said his dad. Take a tiny rest. A tiny rest sounded like a good idea. When he got to the bottom, Jabari remembered something. I forgot to do my stretches, he said to his dad. Stretching is very important. I think tomorrow might be a better day. For jumping, Jabari said. They looked at the diving board together. Oh. It's okay to feel a little scared, said his dad. Sometimes I feel a little scared. I take a deep breath and tell myself, I'm ready. And you know what? Sometimes it stops feeling scary and feels like a little surprise. Jabari loves surprises. Jabari took a deep breath and it felt his body from the ends of his hair right down to the tips of his toes. Jabari looked up. He began to climb. Up and up and up. Until he got to the top, Jabari stood straight up. He walked all the way to the end of the board. His toes curled the tough edge. Jabari looked out. As far as he could see, he felt like he was ready. I love surprises, he whispered. He took a deep breath and spread his arms and bent his knees. Then he sprang up off the board, flying! Jabari hit the water with a splash. Down, down, down he went. And then back up! Whoosh! Jabari, you did it! Said his dad. I did it! Said Jabari. I'm a great jumper. And you know what? What? Said his dad. Surprise double backflip is next!